Good morning and good evening, friends. Welcome to goonlinetrainings.com. So, data analytics using Power BI is trending course in 2025 as well. So, many people are still learning this kind of a courses because this anybody can learn, right? Any graduate, any IIT person, any no, tier 2, tier 3 colleges, BCom, MBA, BSc. If you have any degree, you will be able to learn data analytics course and you can easily get the job. The course will get over within 6 months, and after that, you can apply for the jobs. Minimum 3 to 6 months time you need to have. So we are going to be completing the course in 3 months of time. After that, you need to practice a projects. You need to prepare the CVs, and you need to try lot of real-time assignments and the projects, and you will be able to, upload the CV into the job portals and get the jobs. It will take minimum 3 to 6 months time to become a data analyst, right? We do not teach courses here. We build skills of the people, right? See, many people do not have proper gurus or the mentors. That is the reason they will not be able to go into the IT industry and they cannot get bigger packages. Many people will come and say me, sir, I have done Python course, sir, I have done SAP course, sir, I have done this course and this course. The problem, when I ask some questions, they will not be able to reply me anything. So what is the meaning? They have just completed the course, but they do not have any proper skill means you will be able to work alone in the company after getting a job. My people, whatever the student names that you're able to see it, those people are started their career as a call center executive. Some of them are were working in bank like as a State Bank of India, ICICI Bank. Some of them are housewives. Minimum package they got it 8 lakhs to 12, 15, 25, 23 lakhs in India, right? In last year, one 44 years age, you know, girl have joined housewife. She's housewife, and after 20 years of her marriage and the kids are grown up and she wanted to do some course. Her name is Usha from US. She joined 2 years back with me. Sir, I wanted to learn some course. My husband suggested me that I should do some SQL course, but I don't know anything about it. I'm from botany zoology background. My age is 44 years. I don't need money. Only I wanted to spend my time because my kids are grown up. Now I am 44 years old. I wanted to spend daily 2 to 3 hours of time. And currently I'm a housewife for last 20 years. Clear? So can you suggest me one course? So when I told her that you can do SQL and Power BI data analytics course, she completed the course and she got a job with 1.5 lakhs USD. It is equivalent to 1.2 crore salary per annum. She got it, right? Her recorded voice I have uploaded in my Bhaskar Jogi YouTube channel. Her name is Usha. Okay. So many people, after 10 years of a break, they wanted to get into IT industry. Some people, they could not, complete their education. BCom or BTech, they have taken 6 years to complete. So those kind of a people also get into, the IT industry because they had good gurus. So here, we are not here to simply say some courses here. We are here to teach the skills, and building a skill cannot be done within 1 or 2 months. So that is the reason I'm telling you minimum 3 to 6 months of time, daily 2 to 3 hours of practice you need to have it. So anybody can learn this course. That is what is the beauty. Data analytics is not only for the BTech guys. It can be anybody. BTech civil engineering, BTech mechanical guys, botany zoology guys, or you can be BA, MBA, BCom, BBA. Any people can easily learn. but you need to daily practice 2 to 3 hours. Why many people choose data analytics? It is low coding, no coding. If you know 2 plus 2 equals to 4, you can easily learn data analytics. Or people who are working with Excel, or people who are working at the call centers, or any other sales profession, or maybe insurance agents, or maybe housewives, anybody can easily get into this. Daily 2 hours minimum practice is needed. You need to buy one laptop and you need to have one internet, right? Laptop configuration I can tell you, and I can give you the software so that you can install the software, and daily you need to practice minimum 2 to 3 hours. Anybody can easily get into data analytics. Okay, so totally we are going to be having three demos today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow. We are going to be conducting the demo classes. These are free, same time, same meeting ID. You will be able to connect and you can join with me, right? Completely practical oriented. My name is Bhaskar Jogi. I'm having almost 25 years of experience in the IT industry. I trained thousands of people all over the world, right? And people now, getting in the US, people are getting more than 1 crore, 2 crore salaries in US. In India, my students are getting minimum 8 lakhs to up to 60, 70 lakhs of salary packages they're drawing in Hyderabad itself, right? I started my career in year 2000 in Bangalore. I was there in Bangalore for 10 years. I used to take a lot of corporate trainings in Infosys, CGI, KPIT, Technologies Pune, and Cognizant, Capgemini, Infosys, all campuses I have visited. I used to take a lot of corporate trainings for them. Right after that, I have jumped to Hyderabad, and here I was working in Accenture. After that, I got a job in Chennai as well, Patni Computer Chennai, and from Chennai, I moved to Hyderabad. Currently, I'm in Hyderabad. I was working with Accenture. After that, moved to Microsoft. Currently, I'm not working. I used to conduct a lot of classes in Hyderabad, Amirpet as well, because I love teaching. I'm passionate about teaching. That is the reason I quit my job now completely. I'm a full-time trainer now. So earlier I was working, and morning and evening I used to take a lot of classroom classes, online classes, and corporate classes I used to conduct. But now completely full time online training we are giving. We are also planning to start classroom classes, but it will be premium classroom classes. We're planning to launch in Hyderabad, and as of now we don't have any classroom classes. We're also launching various franchises in different cities, starting with Vijayawada, Visakhapatnam, Pune, and Indore, and Nellore, Tirupati. So many outlets we are starting in different places, so that local students can go and get a lot of support from the local areas. The addresses and everything will let you know if you wanted to have them. Clear? So end of the day, what is important is that I believe that many tier 2, tier 3 colleges people are not able to get proper gurus, proper mentors, proper skills are not there with them. And if you don't have a proper skill today, you can earn only 15, 20,000 rupees salary jobs, not more than that. It is not that you're a graduate and you don't have the proper skills. It is not English. Many people will say, I don't have English. So English is not a problem at all here, right? So you need to have one technical skill today. So if you don't have that kind of a skills, especially rural background people or people from tier two, tier three colleges, people are, completed doing some courses after coming to Hyderabad, but many times they will get cheated. Some courses they'll do it and they'll have some important interview questions. They will not be able to crack the jobs. If you not able to crack the job, then what is the use? Even though you're cracking the job, you are not able to sustain in the company for more time. So every time you are worried, you don't know the proper technologies because nothing you have learned from basics, right? or you have learnt only the basics, not the advanced stuff, right? So many Udemy courses or many institutions will teach you basics. So they will teach you basics very, very well. When the advanced concepts comes, they will leave you saying that the course is over. So this kind of a people think that I have done my course, but they will not be able to go to the IT industry. They will not be able to crack any interview. But other side, my students, many people, housewives came, and ICICI bank, professionals came. They have, came from different, background, bank managers, many, sales people, many housewives, many IT professionals who came, learned these courses. They have shifted from, non-IT to IT with a minimum 12, 15, 25 lakh salary packages, because we teach very, very basic level to advanced level, right? You cannot get, rich experienced faculty. So that is the reason, if you don't have the rich experienced faculty, it will be very difficult for you to get into any industry. It will be very, very tough, right? This guy, recent guy from Vishakhapatnam, he was working in a bank for 10 years, right, as a bank manager. Now, what is the salary package you see? 19.5 lakh salary, package he got it December month 2024. Now, can you imagine, getting this kind of a package, completely a banking industry to a IT industry, that to very bigger company like a Virtusa in Chennai, right? Now I can give you many things. If you see the previous slide, he is currently from rural background, Srikakulam Palasa. This guy cracked 35 lakh salary package in Hyderabad. This guy Kaushik from Kolkata, he was working for call center, earning 18,000 rupees per month. He got 3 to 4 offer letters. Now he is working for Adidas and earning almost 18, 19 lakh salary package. She was working in Chandigarh, Simran Kaur from Chandigarh. She was working with the call center, earning 4.5 lakhs per annum. Now she got Air India job. Last 6 months back, she got into Air India, and she has got 3 offer letters, and 16 lakhs is the salary package. Akshay from Pune, he was 2012 passed out, and the BTech, mechanical guy. He started his own bakery in Pune, but because of various reasons, he lost the business. He was only earning past 20, past 10 years, 20,000 rupees per month in his bakery. Now he shifted from bakery to this. He got now 25 lakhs salary package. This guy, Kalyan, he was my old student. Is getting currently 25 lakhs. She was mechanical background from Gujarat. She's received 18 lakhs package. This guy, Vijay from ICICI Bank, a cashier, he got almost 18, I think 16 lakhs salary package like that. She was housewife earlier. He was from Aftab from Pune, I think, right? And Suraj from, I think, Maharashtra. This guy is also from, I think, Karimnagar somewhere. So people got thousands of packages. These are the last 3 to 4 months. People got jobs, after learning the course. So everybody will have the recession. Many people thinking that IT industry, many people losing jobs. That is true. Why? Because they are not upskilling, or they are not reskilling. If you don't learn the new skills, you will be outdated very soon, right? So don't tell me that I have done BSc, I have done my BTech with 90%. Nobody will ask you your percentages. Nobody will ask you your past, experience. You may be a 10 years, a mutual fund investment manager, but today you do not have the proper job. You may be earning very less salary package. What you need to do? You need to easily learn, jump into this kind of a technical skills. Because of AI, many small jobs also getting automated. You lose the job. So any people, insurance sector, IT sector, pharma sector, banking sector, very high qualified people. One girl came last year. She has done MPhil and PhD in M Pharmacy, MPhil and PhD, and joined Dr. Reddy's laboratories and earning 20,000 rupees per month. And somehow she got into this data analytics last year. Now she's working for Cognizant, more than 20 lakhs salary package. Now anybody can get into IT industry because IT is a skill. Okay. It is nothing to do with your qualification. It is nothing to do with your age. It is nothing to do with your educational gap or nothing. Right? My own cousin, he's supposed to complete his BTech in 2012, but he could not complete. He completed his BTech in 2016, 4 years of extension. But this guy is currently working for Accenture, earning almost 22 lakh salary package. Right? So shifted to now, I think L&T Mindtree currently is working. So people can jump from anywhere to anywhere. So no restrictions for our people, no problem for our people because the basic to advanced level of teaching will be there. So only if you believe in the teacher, you can easily get into anywhere, right? So don't ask which course I need to do it. You always ask, tell me one mentor, with his help, I should be able to go into IT industry. So, if you ask which course I should do, if you ask this question to 1,000 people, one guy will say Python, one guy will say .NET, one guy will say Java. So don't ask the question like that. I wanted to get into IT industry. Tell me one good mentor or guru under his guidance. Some course let him teach. Some course let him teach. Under his guidance, I wanted to get into IT industry. Tell me one mentor like that so that I can go and approach. Right? So it is not the course, it is the mentor. Remember, it is the guru. If you don't have a many proper mentor and guru, many people who are scoring 90% of the marks in their in their graduation, they still be working for 10-20,000 rupees. And people who came from BCom background, they took the course under me. They're cracking, they have now in US, and they are earning more than 1.5 crore, 2 crore salary packages per annum. So it is completely not your qualification, it is completely your mentoring. If you have a proper mentor, you you know you go- you will get the success very soon, and you can sustain in the industry as well for the longer period. Clear? Chalo, guys. We have a fixed timing and a flexible timing classes. Fixed timing means we can, attend evening batches or the morning batches. So we have every month we'll have morning batches. We'll start morning batches every month first, or evening batches. If you wanted to attend, you can attend evening batches. Plus, you can also go in for the flexible timing. If you don't have a time, you can just get daily recorded videos and practice them whenever you get a time, and you can just call me or ask me anytime. So this is my number, right? So this is the doubt I have. Can I connect? Yes. So I'm free after 11 o'clock in the morning till 5 o'clock in the evening. You can just ping me, sir. This is the issue. I got it. And can we connect one to one? Yes, why not? You can just ask me in this number. This is my direct office number. So any student, any questions, if you have any time, if you wanted to ask for a career counseling or a course related questions or lab related questions, I'm available. So morning 11 to evening 5 o'clock, just ping me. Even though I'm not able, sometimes I will be in the classes. If I don't take the calls, don't worry, I will be able to give the reply. Just ping me if you have any questions anytime. Clear? So goonlinetrainings.com is offering only 4 courses, not many courses. We have only 4 courses. Data analytics using Power BI. This course anybody can learn, any age group, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 age group people also can learn. It is completely no coding and low coding. Clear? So this is the number one course we are going to be offering. The next course we are going to be offering data engineering using Azure, and this is also very good course. It is, you will have a little bit of a Python coding you need to have. It will have some coding, but not very complex coding, medium level coding. This is also you can join 3 to 6 months time, and data science and artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning. This is 12 months to 18 months courses we are offering. So Dr. Venkat is the faculty for this. Dr. Venkat is the faculty for this, is having 20 years of experience and PhD hold, right? So Dr. Venkat is going to be taking, and we have a full stack Python as well. So this is also Dr. Venkat is going to be handling, and this course completely I'm going to be handling. So these are the four courses we are going to be handling in the go online training. So you have flexible trainings, you can take it, or you can go in for the fixed timing. Fixed timing means whenever the teacher is going to start the live class, you need to join. If you don't have a time, you are a employee, you may be housewife or taking care of the family, for you it will be difficult for you to get into fixed timings or the live classes. So don't worry, live classes only will get recorded, the video will be uploaded, you can just watch the video anytime and complete it, right? So number one course worldwide today, big data engineering. So that is very, very number one position today. Clear? So data analytics is there in the fourth position today. And if you take top 10 courses, right? AIML and full stack Python, IoT, Internet of Things, lot of other courses we have. But if you take top 10 courses, these four courses are available. Number one today is big data engineering. So this is the number one course worldwide. You will have much more opportunities worldwide, and data analytics using Power BI even in 2025 I'm talking about, right? So even in 2025 we have much more opportunities worldwide. No coding, low coding, this is also low coding jobs. But data science, AI and ML is complex and completely coding, and the full stack Python is coding. These two are completely high coding and complex. You need to know coding. Full stack Python is recommended for the fresher. If you are a fresher, if you wanted to get into IT industry, you can join full stack Python for the 6 months course. Yeah, am I clear? So these are the things Go Online Trainings is going to be offering through flexible timings or through you know uh, fixed timing classes. Clear? And if you wanted to have a classroom classes also, we are going to be starting premium classroom classes for these courses. It will be 9 to 5. You have to be there in the institution. You will have a dedicated instructor will be there. So classes we are going to be conducting. Dr. Venkat and Bhaskar Jogi together will be conducting. You need to be there in the institution 9 to 5. So completely 100% placement oriented premium courses also we are offering. But if you're not able to join in that course, so that will completely offline modules. You can join online classes and same faculty is going to be teaching you. These are very, very cheaper when you compare with the premium and offline classes. These are very, very cheaper, and these are completely live classes, and the same faculty is going to be teaching, and basic to advanced level, including projects and real time material is going to be given, guys. Okay. One more guy, Mr. Mukesh Srivastava. He was from 2012 BSc distance education guy and working for a law company, earning 8 lakhs package. After our training, he got 8 lakhs to 23 lakhs. Last October, he got a job. Three offer letters he got it, right? Three, not only one. So 8 lakhs to 15 lakhs one package, 8 lakhs to 18 lakhs second company, third company 20 lakhs. It is last October, right? So how are people able to crack 3344 offer letters? Because of the subject, right? Nobody can give you 23 lakhs offer, right? So because you need to undergo a lot of interviews, 3344 people, three times, four times they are going to be interviewing. So until and unless if you don't have the proper knowledge, getting into any company will be difficult. 2012 passed out, 10 years of a gap and small industry is working, and now he shifted to a a company that is Sutherland. Clear? So healthcare company, working as a data analyst over there. So this guy is from Vishakhapatnam, I told you, right? What choose from banking to IT, sales to IT sector we have, see, and she's from Chicago. She got very basic salary package, very little, I think 1 year exposure she has. So 1 year of experience she got. December 2024. Like that, many people, Mukesh Srivastava, he got three offer letters 16, 18, 23. And I can give you thousands of, testimonials. Sham Kumar, Harsha, 35 lakh salary packages. Kaushik from BCom student and working for a call center. He got five offer letters. And, Adidas currently is working with 19 lakhs. Like many people I can give you. It is not the your age or the qualification, it is completely which mentor you have in your life. Remember that. So especially tier 2, tier 3 people learning, earning only 20, 30,000 rupees, they do not have the proper skills. That is the reason they're not able to get bigger packages. It is not the qualification or the age which is stopping, or recession is not stopping you. Believe me, recession is stopping you. All the people who got the job in the recession only, right? 3, 3, 4, 4 offer letters. How? Resistance is not stopping them. It is the skill. You have to realize you do not have a skill. You're 35 years old guy, 40 years old age guy. You're earning 20, 30,000 rupees means you need to understand upskilling it to be done. Reskilling have to be done. Not, using, YouTube videos. Never, never go into YouTube videos and start doing any courses there. Now tell me, I wanted to do weight loss. Can I go to YouTube and start, following any channel? Do you think that I lose my weight? 100% you cannot, right? So YouTube is a starting point. You can choose one good mentor. So YouTube should not be your complete, guide or the mentor. You lose the opportunity because you need to have proper mentor. Mentor knows you would have failed 50 times already. He knows what to teach, what to understand, what to tell, what not to tell. So mentor already experienced. So for his experience only, you are paying the amount, not for the course. Remember. So why are you paying? Not for the course, because same course is available for Udemy 300 rupees. You are paying here for his experience guidance, for his mentoring. That is the reason success rate is very much high. Why? Cine heroes, they don't follow YouTube's. They will have a, if they wanted to do, weight, increase or decrease, they'll have a mentor. They'll have a proper coach. They will give crores of rupees and they will be able to get the proper shape of the body, not using your YouTube videos. Clear? So many people think that my son is intelligent, my daughter is intelligent. I always say that it is not the son intelligent, daughter intelligent. It is always they need to have a mentor. Okay, that is where they fail. They're not able to crack the interviews because skills are not there. They simply learn basic things by YouTube, and they think that YouTube is the number one in the world. So completely they will waste the time. Okay, don't do that. So today we'll talk about what is business intelligence. Business intelligence is also called as a data analytics. Okay, what is the data science, AI and ML? What is data engineering? What is the cloud technology? What is Azure? What is AWS? How is the job market in India and worldwide? What is the eligibility to get IT job? And who can learn this course? And what is the duration? All these things I'm going to be addressing today. Duration will be minimum 6 months, daily 2 to 3 years of practice we need to have. Course will get over within 3 months. Okay, but 4, 5, 6 months you need to practice the project, assignments, prepare the CV, uploading the CV into the portal, and go for the interviews. Fail at least 5 to 10 rounds of interviews so that you can easily get the job in the next 3 months. Who can learn this course? Any graduate, any age, 20, 30, 40, BA, BCom, BS, any graduate can learn this course. If you know 2 plus 2 equals to 4, you can learn this course. It is no coding, or you can say low coding, that you can manage. If you know basic mathematics of 10th class or 8th class, that is more than sufficient for you to become a data analytics analyst. How is the job market? Job market is very, very good. My mentor, Mr. Srinivasan Ranganathan, currently is working for ISB, Indian School of Business. He was from IIT Madras, mathematics he has done, and after that IIM Bangalore. He was working in Citibank Mumbai as a vice president. After that, moved to Wipro as a president of Wipro Bangalore. Right. So That company I have joined at 25 years back in year 2000. He came out from Wipro. He started one startup in 1992. He started the startup, but I have joined that company in year 2000. So my mentor Srinivas and Ranganathan told me, Bhaskar, the next decade or next 2 3 decades is completely with the data. I was talking about in year 2002. He told me you have to go towards data side. Don't jump into C, C++, Java, .NET. That time, C, C++, Java, everybody is learning. I was the person completely moved from his mentorship, right? From not learning C, C++. I know C, I know Java, I know everything, but I did not take that path. Completely came towards data. So 25 years back, he told me because he's from very big background, right? So if you have a proper mentor, you can definitely choose the proper proper path, right? My colleagues were earning very little salary as a Java developer, .NET developer, but when they compare my salary is very big salary that time itself, because data professionals are costly in the industry. When you compare with Java developer salary or a Python developer salary, or you can say .NET developer salary and a data analyst salary, when you compare it, data analyst will get it twice, thrice you can get, but you need to have a basic to advanced level of skill. Clear? More opportunities in the industry. Okay. Now invest in the skills, not in the courses. I told you, many people will tell me, sir, I have done this course. Learning a course is useless until and unless you are able to build a skill. How? You should be ready for the industry. If you wanted to be ready for the industry, it is not that you should take Udemy courses or some basic videos you should buy and try to listen to that, right? So always you need to listen to a good mentors classes. So here we are having 20 25 years experience, and we are ready to share our knowledge so that next generation people can take this opportunity and get into the IT industry. That is the motto for this, right? I have explained about my profile, and I told you any graduate, any people can come, sales guys, housewives, BCom, pharmacy, BTech, any branches, any year passed out. So that is not a problem. So non IT to IT, you can easily switch, right? So 6 months validity for the course, real-time topics, or daily 1 hour of classes will be there. Monday to Friday we'll have classes. Saturday, Sunday, I don't take any classes. Okay. So no coding, low coding, high salary expected. Java developer salary will be less when you compare with a data analyst or a data engineering salary, right? So sample CVs I'm going to be giving, CV preparation I'm going to be doing for you, online lab support I'm going to be doing, interview questions I'm going to be discussing in the class. And many people tell me, sir, when we attended the interview, 99% of only your syllabus questions. We did not prepare anything. Every question that we got it, only your syllabus, your syllabus, your syllabus. So you need not go here and there and completely follow my syllabus. 99% people who crack 25 lakhs salary packages, they never work for IT industry. With the 4 years of experience only, they crack a 25 lakhs of salary packages. I the name Akshay from Pune, right? He told me, sir, only your questions are going to be asked. So that is what is the content I have created. Unlimited data sets, interview questions, sample CVs, projects are included, assignments are included. Anytime like you can learn using videos, and video validity will be 6 months. Live clarification sessions also will be given one to one. You can call me, you can ask me any questions, right? After 6 months, if you wanted to extend the course, that is also possible by paying nominal some 200 rupees or 300 rupees when you pay, and you can extend for 1 or 2 months, or up to maximum 12 months you can extend. Okay, so another 6 months you can extend. So by default, 6 months will be the validity for the videos. Daily videos we're going to be uploading. Even though you miss one live class, don't worry. The video will be ready so that you can just watch the video from the portal. The portal links will be given once you make the payment. Payments and everything will be sent after the two demo classes. We are going to be learning under analytics totally five courses: SQL Server, Power BI, SSIS, data warehousing, and SSAS. Next 2 days, I'm going to be talking about what is SQL, what is Power BI, what is SSIS, what is data warehousing, what is SSAS. These are the courses that you have to study. It is not only Power BI. Why? Because when you go to job portal, okay, when you go to job portal and you say, let me go to naukri.com. So I wanted to simply go and search for Power BI jobs. Power BI, whatever it is. You search. Now, what are the skills they're going to be asking you? See, you're going to be, uh, see, what are they asking? They're asking Power BI, SQL. This is SSAS, they're asking. Okay, T-SQL means SQL. SSIS they're asking, DAX they're asking, SSRS they're asking, Power BI they're asking, SQL, SSAS, right? So whatever the skills I'm showing it here, most of the time you will be able to get SSAS, SSIS, data warehousing, Power BI, SQL. These skills the people are asking. You can see it is not only Power BI. Many people will come, sir, SSAS, I do not know. You need to learn data sources. So, BI, Power BI desktop. See what are they asking? SQL, data modeling. All these things we're going to be covering one by one. Clear? Not everything, but most of the people should know these things. See, SSAS, IAS, Power BI, Cloud, SSAS. See, you cannot get 4 years, 30 days jobs. Now, currently, you have, 1,000 jobs are available. So, how many jobs you need? You need only one job, right? So 1,000 jobs as of now it is there. 12 days ago the job is posted 8 to 13. It will be very bigger experience. Even though you have a 10 years of a gap, so we are going to be only putting 3 to 4 years of experience. Okay, na? So you can easily get 15 to 25 lakh salary packages in Hyderabad itself. Clear? But you need to practice a lot. You need to learn SQL, you have to learn Power BI, you have to learn SSIS, you have to learn, SSAS, data warehousing. So these are the three things that I'm going to be planning so that as a zero to hero, from zero, you will become hero, right? Very basic level to advanced level we are going to be teaching. Clear? Completely practical oriented. So these are the things that you are going to be learning next 3 months. So tomorrow and day after tomorrow, I'll give you the complete picture. What is this? What is this? What is this? What is this? Everything I will be able to give you in the proper manner. Clear? So that is about data analytics. If you wanted to become a data engineer, I will talk about what is a data engineering tomorrow. So this is also one more course you can choose, right? If you wanted to become a data science, it is disadvantage coding a complex, and I don't recommend directly jump into AI. But already, if you know anything about IT industry, for those people, AI and ML will be very good topic. Okay, good thing. So that is what we will be able to assure you, or the I can tell you. Okay, now, so what we are going to be having. So total three demo classes are going to be free today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Same time, you can just connect with me with the same meeting ID. These are the top 10 trending courses. So the complete list, I forgot, but this is the big data engineering, IoT, and ML, BI data analytics, cyber security, top 10 skills, not the courses in the year 2025 I'm talking about. Okay. So if you're data engineer, clear, cloud data engineer, big data engineer, this is the number one today. You will have more and more data because today everywhere data. If you have a data oriented technologies, when you learn today, you will get more and more jobs. Okay. Data analytics, or it is also called as a business intelligence, or AI, or you can become a data engineer. So I'll talk about all these things today and tomorrow, day after tomorrow, so that you concentrate on my subject. Now, can you tell me what is the IT industry? So if I ask you what is IT industry, what it does. So many people know that IT industry means it is information technology. But do you know what it is doing? Do you know what is the core functionality of IT industry? Information technology. So information it is going to be taking from where? From the data. Clear? So IT industry is information technology industry. But if you wanted to get a information, you should have the data. But now tell me, what is the core functionality of IT industry? What is the core functionality of automobile industry? It is going to be producing a lot of cars. What is the core functionality of the steel industry? It is going to be producing a lot of steel, right? What is the core functionality of IT industry? You should not say it will produce the software. That is completely wrong. IT industry is not there to produce the software. That is completely wrong, wrong, wrong. But what it does, you need to know IT industry is going to be doing only two things. So, in information technology is going to be storing your data. Your data means your business data, social media data. That is the one thing. Storing the data of the entire world. This is one thing. And it is going to be computing the data. These are the two things the IT industry is going to be doing. Clear? IT industry is going to be storing your data. IT industry is going to be computing your data. Computing means, in simple terminology, processing. Clear? Let me give you simple example. For example, I have some data. I have 10 and I have some 20, right? So IT industry has to store the data somewhere, right? Either you may use Excel or you may use X, Y, Z. Somewhere you need to store the data, right? But after storing the data somewhere, you have to process the data. Process means the computing. Computer came from computing. So what do you do? I wanted to know the sum. So what is the sum of these two numbers? 30. 30 is a computing. I wanted to know what is the average, 15. I wanted to count those numbers, these two numbers only. I wanted to know what is the minimum. Minimum is a 10. What is the maximum? Maximum is 20. I wanted to find out mode, median, blah, blah, blah. Lot of operations on this data. I'm going to be doing it. This is what is called computing. Clear? If you wanted to store the data, IT industry is going to be using a software called SQL software, or it is also called as a database management software. Remember this. If you wanted to compute the data, process the data, this is where it is going to be using a language. Language means what? You may have C or a C++ or a Python or Java or any language. Okay. So languages cannot store the data, and SQL and RDBMS cannot process your data. There are two departments. One is called data storing department, the second one is called data processing department. Clear? So data storing department is called as a backend application, that is SQL or database management system. Database means data, base management system, DBMS. That is backend system. Front end applications are called as C, C++, Java, .NET. Clear? So these are the two types of the applications IT industry has. Clear? So IT industry is going to be doing only two things. What are they? It is going to be storing the company's data or the social media data or maybe personal data or maybe some data. Some data it is going to be storing somewhere, right? So most of the time, what is the software that we are going to be using? We are going to be using SQL or database management system, right? So if I wanted to store large amount of data, IT industry is going to be using a software. The name of the software is called SQL or database management system. If you wanted to process the data, so Java or C++ languages, we need to use it. So what is the processing means? I told you, identify sum, identify minimum, maximum, counting operations on your data. Clear? So we are not going to be learning front end. Front end means computing. Computing means languages. We are not going to be going towards, the data processing. We should not learn this because it is very, very complex and not much more salaries into the computing side. We are completely focusing on data storing. Clear? So we are going to be working towards data. We are not going to be working towards C++, Python, or blah, 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 because those are the languages. Languages are used to compute the data, to process the data. Languages cannot store your data. Clear? So SQL is what? SQL is a go down or a tank or a bank. I have a lot of blood. Where will I store? Blood bank. I have a lot of gold. Where will I store? Gold bank. I have a lot of data. Where will I store in the IT industry? Data bank. That is database management system. Clear? If somebody tells you SQL or DBMS or RDBMS means, you have to know these are a data bank software. Clear? So that you need to know clearly. Clear? If you wanted to store data, if you wanted to store data, so if you have a small amount of data, for example, kilobyte of data, megabyte of data, where are we going to store? We are going to be stored in Excel. Clear? So remember. So now I'm talking about a data. If it is very small amount of data, for example, you are 20, 30 people, your data I can store in Excel. Where because there's very, very small amount of data I will be able to store. So Excel means any file. So Excel, or you can have a CSV file, Excel file. Small amount of data we can store in the IT industry in a file, remember. But if it is, what is the size I'm talking about? Kilobyte of data or a megabyte of data. Clear? So every day you are getting 100 rows, 100 rows, 100 rows. Clear? 100 students' data or 1,000 students' data I would like to store. So daily students' data I will be able to store in the Excel. 1 month data maybe 5 MB of data, very small MB. Right? 1 year data, maybe 20 MB of data. It is very small amount of data Excel can manage. But if the data is slowly in the GBs. That means I'm talking about not small about data, it is a medium sized data. Clear? I'm talking about every day you're getting 500 every month. Let us say every month you're going to be getting 500 GB of data. Can you store in a file? Answer is no. You have to use your SQL. Clear? SQL, or it is also called as a database management system softwares, can be used. When you have small amount of data, what we do? We're going to be using Excel. When you have a GBs of data, Excel will fail. If somebody gives you 500 GB of data in Excel, Excel cannot accommodate. So we need to switch from Excel to SQL, right? Or RDBMS. Now, if somebody gives you not the data in the 500 GB, you assume every month you're getting 500 GB into 12 months data, it will become 6,000 GB of data, 1 year data I'm talking about. It is 1 year data. So it is equivalent to 6 terabytes of data 1 year. But thinking about 10 years, it will become 60 terabytes of data. So automatically, Amazon company, you think. So slowly, the GBs of data will become terabytes. Your SQL will fail. That is where IT industry is going to be using data warehousing. It is going to be your large data. Clear? So now small data means KBs, medium size data, maybe GBs. Now large size data, terabytes. So these are the tools IT industry is going to be using. Clear? So this was a story till 1990 or early 2000. So after year 2000, what has happened? After year 2000, social media is introduced. Internet, everybody got it. And hardware become cheaper. Clear? Social media introduced and the hardware become so cheaper. People started using computers, sensors, internet is become cheaper. So data started a big way, big amount of data used to come after year 2000. A special name is given to this data. This is a big data. Very big amount of data used to start when? After year 2000. So the special name is given to this. This is a big data. This name is given by Google. Right? What is the data we're talking about now? Petabyte, zettabyte, yottabyte of data. It is a very, very big data. Now, this kind of a data, your data warehousing cannot store. So, this is when people started using Hadoop technology, Hadoop software. Or today, people are using Spark. Clear? People are using Spark. So this is the extra large data or double XL, triple XL data. So today, if you have unlimited data, that is what is called a big data. Now, data can be stored in these four places today. What are they? Maybe files, maybe SQL, maybe data warehousing systems, or maybe big data Hadoop systems or big data Spark systems. Only these four, nothing else. Remember, you don't have anything else to store the data even in 2025. Clear? So you need to remember these are the complete four places we have. This is the data we can store. On this data, what we can do? We can do two applications. We can run on this data. We can run AI application or we can run BI application on the data. AI means artificial intelligence or BI means data analytics applications we can run. So end of the day, you have the data in the files, Excel files, or you may be having data in SQL, or you may be having data in data warehousing, or you have data in the big data Hadoop. Clear? If you have the data today, on this two applications are going to be running. One application is called artificial intelligence. Second application is called BI. BI means data analytics application. Clear? So if you wanted to run AI or BI today, you may get the data from files, Excel, or maybe SQL, maybe data warehousing, maybe Hadoop. Now tell me who's going to be collecting the data, placing the data, storing the data here? The guy is called as a data engineer. Clear? So data engineering, the guy who's going to be working with the Hadoop data, data warehousing data, because these people have to build the systems to store the data. Clear? So data engineering is the guy, he will be collecting the data from many places and they will be able to clean the data and they will be able to store the data in this place or maybe in some other place, maybe in some other place, depends upon the size of the data. Clear? It depends upon the size of the data. Data engineering is the guy who's going to be getting the data of the company, cleaning the data, and storing the data. Depends upon the size. MBs of data, Excel. GB means SQL. Terabyte means data warehousing. Petabyte data means it is this. So today we are talking about Chat GPT. Chat GPT is an AI application. The data it is going to be bring from Hadoop or the Spark only. So what is the size data here we're talking about? The data size here it is 1,000 Himalaya size. So your AI application is getting data from the Hadoop or the Spark, and it is a petabyte of data your Chat GPT or DeepSeek applications are using today. And what is the size of the data we're talking about today? 1,000 Himalayas size. If you cut a data into DVDs and organize them, so all the data will be in thousands of Himalaya size we are talking about. That kind of a data now Chat GPT, your AI application is using. But who's arranging the data into the big data systems? A data engineer. Clear? So artificial intelligence or data analytics, these are the two platforms that are getting that are using your data. What is AI? What is BI or what is data analytics? I can give you. I'll store. Okay, I'll complete it. Data analytics. It is also called as a business intelligence. It means that understanding the past. Okay, you take the data, you understanding the past is what is called as a data analytics means. Okay, so the Amazon company wanted to understand what was my business, what was my sales in India or in Europe last 5 years. It was understanding the past. But now the data analytics is also called as a business intelligence. But now we are talking about AI, artificial intelligence, called as the machine learning or data science. It is future predictions, predicting the future. That is a difference. Clear? Both of them are going to be using your data. What will be my sales in India next 5 years? Both of them will take it. Data may be in Excel, data may be in SQL, data may be in anywhere. One guy is going to be predicting, and one guy is going to be doing what has happened already. It is a business intelligence or data analytics. Clear? So both of them needs data, maybe Excel data, maybe SQL data, maybe data warehousing data, maybe Hadoop or Spark data. This is your data. Social media data will be here only. Your Hadoop, your Spark is going to be storing the data. So complete your YouTube videos, audios, reviews, comments, anything you're talking about today, all the data is a big amount of data. Hadoop or Apache Spark is going to be storing the data. So on these applications only, your AI is running your BI. BI means business intelligence. That is what is called data analytics. Clear? Analytics will understand what has happened already, but AI is going to be prediction, is going to be performing the predictions on your existing data. Clear? And the data engineering is the team is going to be maintaining the stack. What is that? So data engineering is the guy who's going to be maintaining this stack. So they will get the data, they will be able to clean and store the data in either in SQL or in data warehousing or in Hadoop. So tomorrow I'll give you brief introduction about these three platforms and we will continue tomorrow, guys. Did you like the class? So what is data engineering? It is very, very simple. Their duty is to collect what? Collect and clean and store the data so that AI people can use your data or data analytics or Power BI people can use the data. So data engineering will be the number one today in the worldwide. You have much more opportunities in the big data engineer. Okay, guys. So this is the brief introduction about what is data analytics, what is data engineering, what is data all about. You read thousands of articles from YouTube, they will only teach Power BI. They don't give you, overview on entire industry. So that is where we are going to be starting from very, very basic level to advanced level. That is the reason my people can easily crack very bigger salary packages. Okay, so tomorrow we'll continue with the same meeting ID, same time. Tomorrow will be the demo number 2. Thank you, guys. We'll continue tomorrow. Okay, we do not teach courses, we build skills, right? Basic to advanced level of concepts and real time oriented concept will be taught. Thank you, guys. Did you like the class?